Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change our application icons, badges to a dot, for example, or a number in Samsung S22. So, where to find this option and how to change it? We need to go to Settings, then Notifications, Advanced Settings next, and at the bottom we have app icon badges. To change it to a dot from a number, we simply choose this little option right here, and that's it. No need to save, just back out, and as you can see, right now we have our dot badge. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box, and when we turn it back on, this little menu will remember our previous settings.